Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going through the full 2025 guide on how to handle client feedback in Zoho Project. First up, you need to log into your Zoho Project account. This gets us into the platform where all the action happens. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to create one. Once you're in, navigate to the Projects tab and choose the specific project you want to work on. The reason we do this is to ensure that we're dealing with feedback specific to the project in question. Now that we've done that, let's move to the feedback section. This is where all the client comments, suggestions, or issues are recorded. It's crucial to visit this section frequently to stay updated with your client's thoughts and concerns. Next up, carefully read through each piece of feedback. This helps us because understanding the client feedback is key to formulating an appropriate and effective response. Take your time to comprehend each point raised. If need be, note down the key issues. After you've understood the feedback, it's time to craft your response. To do this, click on the reply button next to the feedback. Be sure to address each point raised by the client. This step is important as it allows you to provide clear and concise responses that show your client that their feedback is valued. Remember to maintain a professional and respectful tone throughout your response. This matters because it helps maintain a healthy working relationship with your clients and reassures them that their opinions are taken seriously. Once you've written your response, hit the Send button. This will send your response directly to the client. Let me explain why this matters. Prompt replies show your commitment to your client's satisfaction and can significantly boost their confidence in your services. Now, after you've sent the response, it's important to implement the necessary changes in your project in line with the feedback received. This is what happens behind the scenes, and it's what makes your client feel heard and valued. And there you have it. You've successfully handled client feedback in Zoho Project. Remember, the key is to understand, respond, and implement. This process not only helps in improving your project, but also in building a strong relationship with your clients. That concludes our tutorial on how to handle client feedback in Zoho Project. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next guide. Goodbye.